In the 1980s and 1990s, wheeled self-propelled artillery began to emerge. Compared to tracked self-propelled artillery, it had better road mobility and lower manufacturing and operating costs, making it a focus of military development in various countries. Israel also followed this trend and developed the ATMOS truck-mounted howitzer system in the late 20th century. This system was designed and manufactured by Soltam Systems for export purposes, and although not officially supported by Israel, it was still demonstrated to the Israeli military. The system received some orders from foreign countries and has been successfully sold to several countries so far. The system is highly flexible and can be installed on many suitable wheeled chassis, allowing it to be adjusted according to the purchasing country's needs and fitted with the desired chassis. The initial choice was the Tatra 6X6 truck, which used a V12 diesel engine capable of producing 315 horsepower at 2,200 RPM. The self-propelled gun has a maximum speed of 80 kilometers per hour and a maximum range of 1,000 kilometers. The main gun can be a 150 mm howitzer with a caliber of 39, 45, or 52 times, or a 130 mm gun, which is likely a consideration for some potential customers, as many countries, including India, still use Soviet-made 130 mm guns. In the 52 caliber howitzer installed in the system, the gun has a horizontally sliding breech that opens to the right, with a rear travel of 850–1,100 millimeters when firing. The rear of the vehicle has a hydraulic stabilizer to stabilize the firing platform, and the elevation and traverse of the gun are adjusted using hydraulic equipment controlled by a computer. The gun can use NATO standard ammunition and has a maximum range of 41 kilometers when firing new ammunition. The vehicle carries 27 rounds of ammunition, with the ammunition boxes located on both sides of the gun, with shells on the left and propellants on the right. The gun system requires 4 crew members to operate, and the firing rate during combat is between 4 and 9 rounds per minute. The ATMOS 2000 truck-mounted howitzer system matured in the early 21st century, and detailed information about it was revealed in 2001. The company subsequently contacted the military of countries such as Israel, Thailand, and Romania to build different wheeled self-propelled howitzers according to their specific needs. Regardless of the chassis used, this howitzer system has good overall capabilities. It requires friendly forces to provide firing coordinates, which are then input into the user's fire control system. The truck-mounted gun can transition from marching to combat status in about 1.5 minutes and can launch an initial burst of 3 rounds of ammunition within 15 seconds, with a sustained firing rate of about 1.3 rounds per minute. Since the introduction of the ATMOS 2000 howitzer system, the company has successfully sold equipment to several countries, including Azerbaijan, Cameroon, Romania, and Thailand, although the number of purchases has been small. Thailand and Cameroon made the largest purchases, each buying 18 sets, while other countries made single-digit purchases. Soltam Systems places great importance on the Indian market. Although India has been planning to purchase hundreds of modern self-propelled artillery units since the 1990s, South African, Slovak, and even Swedish wheeled self-propelled artillery have all been unsuccessful. Even though India has already purchased the K9 self-propelled artillery, it still needs a large number of wheeled self-propelled artillery as supplements. Therefore, this market will remain a focal point of competition for military arms dealers from various countries.